All right, greetings again. And I think this may be the final post on ChatGPT, and I'm going to talk about the positive aspects now. So, as instructors, how can we use the ChatGPT to our advantage? So I discovered something recently where in creating assessments, we can easily populate MCQ questions and answers using the ChatGPT software. Just type in create 10 MCQs on X topic with answers, and it will do that for you. You have to be careful now that the answers are correct. At times it gets things wrong, so you have to be careful with that. You have to be a subject matter expert in order to properly use it. So developing assessment tools is a benefit for instructors, and